good is it over there? I'm getting a little scared too. Yeah, I'm not gonna go any further. They're right here. They're right here. I'm not gonna go any further. You guys feel free to go though. Huh? Oh, right there? Yeah. 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 I don't know. I might just stay down here.
I'm gonna see what the route is. So far I feel okay. But you don't feel safer going further?
Yeah, go for it if you want.
Yeah, but I feel like if people aren't comfortable they shouldn't go.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, for sure. Yeah, you guys can get around me. So. Stand up front. So my hiccups are coming back too, so I don't want to like hike anything too crazy. Oh, you can go ahead of me. That's why I'm right here.